Hi, my name's John. I'm here with the MISFits at the Pottstown High School. Today we're going to be learning how to build an Ethernet cable. You're going to need the following tools and materials. Cat 6 cable, a crimper, a tester, some wire cutters, one stripper, some RJ45s, and a pair of scissors. First you want to grab your stripper and you want to put it on your wire. You don't want to go too far down, alright? You want to put it on, spin it around 2 times. Okay, take it off. Pull your blue piece off. Set it down. Okay, you want to spread your wires. Okay, spread them out. And now what you want to do is you want to cut the middle plastic piece right here. Take your scissors. Right there. Don't cut your wires now. You need those. There you go. Oh, be careful. Stuff flies around. You want to unravel your cords, your wires, and then you want to put them in a color code order. It's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Now you want to grab a RJ45 and you want to put the wires inside the slots. Make sure your clip is down. Now what you want to do is grab your crimper. You crimp it now. You should hear like a snap, a little click. Now you want to take your crimper out. Follow all steps on the screen to build the other end of your cable. Now that you have built your other end of your cable, you now want to stick it inside your tester. On the left-hand side of your tester, you want to see all green. So you want to click test. You're still all green. Now that you have seen all green on your left-hand side of the tester, that means your Ethernet is ready to go. Oh my gosh, the Ethernet works.